Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss the word problems of fractions. The very first problem is Maggie has 3 pieces of ribbon measuring 3.5 meter, 2 and 2 by 3 meter and 2 meters. Find the total length of 3 pieces. So first of all, we are given here 3 pieces of ribbon whose length is given here. We have to find out the total length of the 3 pieces. So total length means we have to find out the sum of all these lengths. Clear? So first of all, we will write down here the length of first piece, that is 3.5 meter. We will change it into improper. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. It comes out to be 7 by 2 meters. So length of second piece, that is 2 and 2 by 3 meters. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8 by 3 meters. And length of third piece, that is 2 meter. So we have to find out its total. What will be the total length? We will add up all these numbers. 7 by 2, 8 by 3 plus 2. Now we have to take up the LCM of the denominator. The denominator terms are 2 and 3. So we will take up the LCM of 2 and 3. 2 ones are 2, 3 as it is, 3 ones are 3 as it is. Afterwards we will multiply these numbers. So LCM will come out to be 6 here. Now what we have to do, we have to make each denominator as 6. So first of all we will multiply this number by 3 by 3. So it will become 21 by 6 plus this number will be multiplied by 2 by 2 to make the denominator as 6. So it will become 16 by 6 and last 2, here is nothing in the denominator, so we will put here 1. So we will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 6. It will become 12 by 6. Now it becomes the like fractions, so we can add up all the numerators. So after adding up the numerators, it comes out to be 49 by 6 meters. So this is the total length of the ribbon. Let us move to the next question. Sum of two fractions is 9. If one of the fraction is given, that is 4 and 3 by 4, you have to find out the other fraction. So we are given sum of two fractions. कोई भी दो fractions हैं, suppose एक ले लो f1 और एक f2 and its sum is given, that is 9. One fraction is given here. You are given here 4 and 3 by 4. F2 is not given. So you have to find out the F2. So how we will find out the value of F2? We will subtract this value from 9 and then we will get the value of F2, the other fraction. Clear? So let us start. Sum of fractions, that is 9. One fraction is given, that is 4 and 3 by 4. Let us change it into improper. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3, 19 by 4. Now the other fraction. Other fraction can be found out by subtracting 19 by 4 from 9. Now we have to take the LCM. As we know, there is only one denominator term, that is 4. So LCM will be 4 here. Here we can put here as 1 in the denominator. Now make both the denominators 4. So we will multiply numerator and denominator by 4. It will come out to be 36 by 4 minus 19 by 4. Now subtract 19 from 36. It comes out to be 17 by 4. Next question is, an insect covers 3 by 4 meter in 1 hour and 1 by 6 meter in second hour. Find the total distance covered by the insect. So we know an insect is covering this distance in 1 hour and this distance in second hour. Now we have to find out the total distance. For total distance, we will do the addition. Clear? So we will start it. Distance covered in 1 hour. What is the distance covered? That is 3 by 4 meter. Again, the distance covered in second hour, that is 1 by 6 meter. So total distance we have to find it out. For total, we always add up both the numbers. Now we have to take the LCM of this. LCM of 4 and 6. So we will start it with 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now again we will take 2. 2 1s are 2, 3 will be as it is. Now again take 3, 3 1s are 3. Now we will multiply all these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. So 12 is our LCM. Now we will make both the denominator 12. Here we will multiply numerator and denominator by 3. It comes out to be 9 by 12. Plus here we will multiply numerator and denominator by 2 to make it a 12. So it comes out to be 2 by 12. So now add the numerators. It comes out to be 9 plus 2 by 12. Now keep it in your mind. Denominators will not add because this is the LCM. Clear? So 11 by 12 meter distance covered by the insect. Clear? Next question is, a school functions for 5 and 3 by 4 hours. If the recess time is half an hour, then how much time is devoted to the studies? So this is the total timing of the school. So this time is recess time. So kitni time, how much time is devoted to the study? So rest of the time is the study time. So we have to find it out. See, this is the total and this is the time for recess. So the time, the study time we have to find out from it by subtracting it. Clear? So first of all, we will write down here school time, that is 5 and 3 by 4 hours. So we will change it into improper. 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 3, that is 23 by 4 hours. Now recess time, that is half an hour. Now we want to find out the study time. So what will be the study time? This is the total time. This is the time for recess, and if we want to find out the study time, we have to subtract both. 23 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Now take the LCM of 4 and 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 and 1 as it is. So LCM will come out to be 2 2s are 4. So this is already 4. Now we have to make this 4. So we will multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So it comes out to be 2 by 4. So we will subtract 23 minus 2 by 4. 23 minus 2, it comes out to be 21 by 4 hours. So this is the study time of school, 21 by 4 hours. Or we can change it into mixed fraction, 5 and 1 by 4 hour. Is it clear? I hope you understand.